Hi friends, welcome back to another session. My name is Shebins and this video is from ISEX. In this session, we are going to discuss about description. So what is the importance of a description and how to prepare a good description? A description is a spoken or written account of a person, object or an event. A description analyzes in detail about a person, object or an event and provides a detailed narrative report about it. In other words, description is a writing mode of transmitting the mental image of a particular matter. It can include dialogue, narrations, definitions, examples, and summarization. Description is a most commonly accepted writing mode to detail a particular matter. Description brings something to life by choosing and arranging words and phrases carefully to provide a detailed effect and meaning about a particular matter. So I hope you understood what is the importance of description and what is a description. Now let us go through the key scoring points or the points to be noted while preparing a description. The first point is decide on the purpose. So we need to know for what purpose a description is prepared. What is the objective of preparing a description? The second point is describe clearly using specific details. So there might be different points related to a particular topic and few are very relevant and which can communicate the real message about the matter. So choose the specific points and detail it in the description clearly. The third point is include related ideas. Always the related ideas about a particular subject or topic will help us to substantiate the importance of that particular topic. So it will always support the relevance and the importance of the topic. So always use related ideas and correlate them with the description. Fourth point, effective expression of theme or message. It's very important that when we write a description, we should convey the right message to the intended audience. The fifth point is proper sequencing events. There will be multiple points related to a particular topic and we have to prioritize and sequence them based on the importance and priority of each point. The sixth point is the central theme. There should be a central theme in each description and the other points are related to the central theme which will substantiate and explain the central theme in detail. And the seventh point is natural style. Since the description is intended to explain and analyze about a particular topic, about a person, object or an event, it should be simple and naturally done. So it should be prepared in a natural style that will make a person to understand and grasp the content very easily. Now let us go through a sample of description. Description example. Martha was an 8th grade student in a small Texas school. Her school had a tradition. A scholarship jacket was awarded to the best student every year. Martha had maintained an A+ average in 8 years, so she fully expected to get it as it was her only chance. Once she overheard an argument between her teachers. It was about the selection of the valedictorian. Mr. Smith supported Martha and Mr. Boone was in favor of John. The next day, the principal asked her to pay $15 for the jacket. She was shocked and cried the way back home. She presented the topic before her grandpa, but he was not ready to give the amount. He told her that it was a matter of merit and not money. Next day, she explained it to the principal. Then he told her that they would make an exception in her case. She could not believe in her ears. She thanked Grandpa for his valuable words. She was so happy that she could earn the scholarship jacket. I hope this session was helpful in understanding how to prepare a description, and do practice it. Until we meet next time, you take care. Bye bye.